Hello friends, welcome to back our channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope all will be well. I may to keep you happy and keep you homes inhabited, and may you continue to enjoy like this video. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful amazing crochet crop top and skirt designs. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first, and also make sure to follow, be sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing design, show you to people in it. All the designs that I am sharing with you are all new designs brought to your channel in the first time. You can also buy to the market about such design. You can get many ideas from my videos. So friends, this video is very helpful and useful if you guys. So I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friend daily, inshallah. Be sure to let us know in the comment box how you can like our videos if you want to watch fashion any videos, and if you guys want, you can take a screenshot from my videos someone else, and you can make a similar design for yourself. This type of design is very popular in the country and girls love such clothes. So friends, today video amazing, every video is a lovely designs for you guys. Don't miss any of the video on my channel. So friends, today in this video I will share with you some different designs. We will keep sharing with you in all kind of fashion related designs. Let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in the next video later. Thanks for watching. Don't fret to subscribe. I am very grateful to the people who have subscribed to my channel. Stay with me, take care, remember, pray, and bye.